Greetings everyone. In my previous tutorial, I scheduled a call to Nick Charles. And when I did that, I clicked on call and this dialog box popped up. Down below, as I go down a little bit further, you'll notice there's an option here that says ring alarm, meaning if I have to call someone at a specific time, I want an alarm to pop up ahead of time. And I had mentioned that there's a setting I can go into behind the scenes and set a default. Let's say I always want it to be for 15 minutes. Well, I'm going to click cancel. I'm going to go to tools. I'm going to scroll down a little bit to preferences. And now that I'm in here, I'm going to click on activities. And here I've got calls selected. So I can decide on a priority, whether there's an alarm, and how soon before that event. And I'm going to choose 15 minutes. I can do a default time for that meeting, or that call I should say. I can do it for 15 minutes if I want all my calls to be at least 15 minutes. I can default things to timeless, which I don't recommend when it comes to certain things like this. Or I can automatically roll it over today, which I never recommend. Having said that, I can also enable conflict checking in case I've got something else scheduled there. I also want to make sure that create separate activities is checked when I'm scheduling with multiple people. That's another discussion, but the point being is here is where you can come in and change some of these settings so you don't have to do it every time. You can do the same thing for meeting, where the meeting I always want the alarm to be 60 minutes at least, and the duration of the meeting to be at least 1 hour. And I don't want those to roll over either. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click close. And now when I go to schedule a call, if I scroll down, you'll see the ring alarm time is 15 minutes. So that's how you do some of the settings in here. If you have any questions on that, just reach back to me. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Be well, my friends.